Alright, here we go with the Graffiti Jungle tent house tour. There's Graffiti Silk Venom T-Painted Tarantula Tyranitar hanging up out at top. It's official. We finally got the Project Extinction logo. Impasto. It started to look like, I had the asteroids, but then it started to look like mountains and lava, and so just kept going with that. So we finally got the Project Extinction logo. The kitchen. There's the closet, one t-shirt. There's my bitch in the back, Jessica Rabbit, sexy as hell. We got the garden, the plants. The Kokedama bromeliad. There's Charizard. Mewtwo eating Mew on some Attack on Titan AOT type shit. And then, of course, Dragon Ball Z, Kid Goku, Kamehameha, type shit, slice shit. Trash. Keep your feet, keep your shoes at the door.